Welcome, in front of me is a Nokia G22 and today I'll show you how you can boot this phone into Fastboot mode. So to get started, we're going to pull down our notifications and extend the list to gain access to our power button. From here you're going to select power off, and once the device turns off you will need to hold the power button and volume down at the same time. And as you can see, we'll get this pop-up right here, Fastboot mode. So we are already in our mode. So that is how you to boot into it, and to leave this mode, all you need to do is just hold power button till the screen turns off. There we go. It looks like the phone isn't turning on its own, so let's hold our power button once more to boot it back up. And as you can see, we are now back in Android. So, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.